Alright, let me show you the setup. This is what we normally do when we pack up to go somewhere. This is Bentley's bicycle cart that we hook up to electric bikes. Doesn't fit in the car, so we just strap it in right there. You don't even need a strap, it usually stays put. I got the bike rain covers in there, or helmets, the extra locks, and a few other things. So that isn't going anywhere, and I don't want to put too far out, so I put it to put it on the hitch weight. So I try to put it as far forward as I can to help out with that. Usually this stuff doesn't go anywhere when we travel. I just stuck my hat things up there to get my hats out the way, and that's where we put mostly our clothes. And that's it over here. Sometimes this makes it, and sometimes it doesn't. Last time it fell. So if it falls, it's not a big deal. We'll just put it right back up. This is our slide. Our slide is full to the max. That's where we put everything. This wouldn't, usually I have this thing, that's our outside carpet. Usually I have that underneath the baggage compartment, but if for some reason it's not fitting, so I just bring it out here. And I got a few bins or ottomans, and in our ottomans we have a few things and another bin, and a couple other things, and another bin down here. And that's our new space heater. Our other one broke, so we had to get a new one. This one's, I think, a little better. All right, let's see here. As soon as we stop, those two bins right there go outside. Ottomans go down, slide goes out, and a few other things go outside too. Yeah, mostly everything goes outside. So, and underneath the trailer, so it won't get wet if it's raining. This is our kitchen. Everything's put away, everything's down. The top to that is over there behind everything, so it's not in the way, and I can find it easily. Don't put any coffee in there because it might hold, it might not. You might find coffee pods on the ground during travel. And that's it. I have I just got these bungee cords today, and that one I just have it straight around there, so if we hit a bump, hopefully we don't lose too much. But I hooked it up right here on the window knob and on the screen holder right there, or the not the screen holder, but the blind holders. I have to say my refrigerator's been on this whole week and it's doing fine. It's just solar. So, and our solar is still 100%. Look at that. It was a cloudy day all day. Where's our little pantry right here? I just bought these bungee cords right here, these orange ones, to hold things in while we're traveling. And I also cut a pool noodle above the door, so these things, if it hits a bump, it won't fly off. So last time half of it was off. Some things were on the ground, but that should hold right there. It should hold. And you can still open the door with that orange noodle on the top. Doesn't really do anything. Probably take it off when we're there, and then just keep it on there during storage. All right. Our new microwave. We didn't use it yet. We're going to test it out. This is our microwave convection air fryer. And this is how I have everything on here with the glass. This is for the air fryer, I believe. And so I just put a pool noodle in between the burners here so it won't move. So it isn't going anywhere. So that's cool. I don't have to do anything there. I just have to keep that pool noodle readily accessible. And that's how our new microwave looks, in case you did not see it. That's how our pantry looks. And refrigerator. My little T thing here to put right here broke off. I'm going to try to put it on eventually. But until then, I got blue painter's tape. Blue painter's tape. Blue painter's tape. Blue painter's tape. So it would not come open and everything would spill out. So, you want a magnet, give me a call. I might get you one. And I got them on the cabinets too. Won't open up. Cabinets over here won't open up. Won't open up. Won't open up. And when you get there, all you gotta do is take the tape off. Take the tape off, take the tape off. Alright, what else? Let's look in the bathroom. I got a few things in the shower, but I don't like to put anything heavy in there because if we hit a big bump, it might start cracking the shower, and that's not good. That's not a good thing. So I don't want to put too many heavy stuff in. I didn't put any tape here yet, but I will. Blue tape here, or that last bungee cord I might just put right here. Look at that. Nice. And we have this pretty much filled up. We're going to Fort Dix, so we're not packing too heavy because as soon as we get there, we go to commissary and get everything, or the PX. So, there's some chains here I gotta get rid of, some trash, finger smells. And that's our towel holder. Right now we got some jackets on there, my towel. That's our shower head. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I just have this thing on, or max fan on, just to keep it okay here. I gotta clean that up. So, let me see if I missed anything. Oh, by the way, it was raining, and then I put the slide in, and then a little bit later, maybe 2 hours later, I looked down, there was a puddle. So the rain was coming. The rain that was already on here was dripping and made a puddle, a nice puddle too, right on the floor here. So I had to clean that up. I just want to know if that happens to everybody. If it's raining and you pull the slide in, you get a puddle there. So if that happens, I might just grab a towel and put a towel there, right here. So if it does fall, it'll fall on the towel, and then put the towel out to dry. I don't want to forget it, you know. It made my carpet down here a little wet. So that's it. That's how we travel. If you have any questions, give us a call. Let me see over here. Give us a call if you have any questions on how I do stuff. Write a comment down below, and I answer every comment because not too many people comment on my videos, but when they do, I have the time to comment on it. And if you have a question, I try to do my best. Oh, I got a cramp in my hand. Oh. Yeah, and that's how our floor looked. Oh, by the way, another thing. Remember when my microwave fell? If you see my other videos, my microwave was on here when I was installing, and I turned around and it fell on the floor. Luckily, it did not break. But I was so worried about the microwave, I forgot to check for damage too. And I got a little gouge right there. I'm just going to use a little glue and then put it down. And I think that should do it. I should hold it. And then I have a gouge right there. Not too bad. I can fill that in with some wood putty maybe to blend it in a little bit. So we got this new carpet last time. We used it in Ohio. It works well. And we still have our advertisement there because that keeps the dog from hitting the screen. We did not get a screen protector yet. I was trying to be cheap. I was going to buy a plexiglass, take that to a plexiglass place to cut something that's a little it bends a little bit, but not too much. And I'm gonna put that there so Bentley can at least look out when he's inside and we're outside. Alright, that's it. Just wanted to show you that, how we pack stuff. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.